Tayo. Today we're going to the farm. Let's guess what makes each sound there and enjoy the song at the end. Yay! Oh, can you guess who's making that sound?
Huh? You can't just sit down there! Ugh.
I think it's a cow. You got it! It was a cow. C-O-W, cow. The cow says, moo moo.
Huh? You can't just sit down there! Ugh.
But why is the cow with you? I met a cow in the middle of the road. The cow's name is Moo Moo too.
Is it? Oh, it's Moo Moo. His name is Moo Moo. You'll have to ask him to move by calling his name. What? Moo Moo Moo. Can you move? Moo. Yeah.
Can you guess which animals are making those sounds? I hear a dog, pig, and some little chicks. Are there more? Well, let's see what animals are making those sounds.
Are welcoming to us.
We have a frog, chicks, pigs, and a puppy.
Cheep, 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 yellow chicks. Oink, oink, piglets. Bow wow, puppies, everyone.
One more time. Frog, chicks, pigs, and a puppy.
La 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 la
This time, let's guess what's happening in the countryside by listening to the sounds.
I'm almost there.
I think Tayo is moving something heavy. Yes, that's right. I helped a farmer carry some heavy loads.
You can do it, right?
Yes. I'm almost there. Huh? Hey, you? Moo Moo, right?
You must be hungry. Oh, you're eating so well, Moo Moo.
Final quiz. Can you guess what's happening here?
Oh, no, I can't move. Somebody help me.
Huh? Is somebody in trouble? Yeah, that was close. I slipped on a wet road.
Oh, no, I can't move. Somebody help me. Is anybody there?
But Moo Moo and the people who live here in the countryside helped me out.
Just a little more.
Now you guessed all the sounds. Great job, guys! Now, shall we enjoy listening to a song? I'd love to.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on its farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
뽀로로와 친구들의 이야기 재밌게 봤어? 여기 무료 구독 버튼을 눌러봐. 그럼 뽀로로 새로운 영상을 가장 빨리 만날 수 있어. 더 재미있는 뽀로로 영상을 보고 싶다면 여기를 클릭! 지금 바로 눌러봐! 여기를 누르면 더욱더 재미있는 뽀로로 영상을 만나볼 수 있어.